Is your furnace shutting off too quickly or leaving rust marks in your vents without warning? These signs often point to a failing Goodman heat exchanger, a serious issue that can reduce efficiency and increase carbon monoxide exposure inside your home. Welcome to PartsHnC. The heat exchanger in a Goodman furnace transfers heat from burning fuel to the home's circulating air, while keeping dangerous combustion gases like carbon monoxide safely separated from indoor air. Over time, cracks or corrosion can develop, reducing efficiency and creating serious safety hazards. Key warning signs of a failing heat exchanger include moisture or condensation inside the furnace, rust in supply ducts, backdrafting exhaust gases, corrosion especially around weld seams, and unusual furnace short cycling. Early detection prevents hazardous conditions and expensive repairs. Before replacement, always turn off the electrical power and the gas supply. Confirm no gas leaks exist. Ensure the work area is well ventilated, and wear proper PPE, gloves, safety glasses, and a respirator if needed. Prepare HVAC tools like torque wrenches, inspection lights, and heat-resistant gloves. To replace, access the furnace interior, locate and carefully remove the old heat exchanger, install the new one in the correct position with proper alignment, use fresh gaskets, and tighten hardware to manufacturer specifications. Reconnect wiring and gas lines securely, then check for leaks before restoring power and gas. After installation, perform critical tests. Verify safety switches work. Use a combustion analyzer to confirm zero carbon monoxide leaks. Ensure proper ignition and efficient cycling, and check for even heat distribution with good airflow. Routine inspections of ducts, filters, and combustion components, combined with working carbon monoxide detectors, catch problems early, improve efficiency, extend equipment life, and keep your heating system safe and reliable. Shop genuine Goodman furnace parts, including heat exchangers, today at PartsHnC.com for fast shipping and reliable quality. Follow us for daily tips and updates on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.